Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I decided to film. So before I even tell you guys what I'm filming, I have to just express the utmost gratitude. This is my first major PR package, and when I tell you, when I first opened this product, I just couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe it, you know. And I've just been been feeling discouraged lately. So to have received this package just reminded me as to why I work so hard and why I don't give up. So I have to give a big thank you to Covergirl for even reaching out to me to include me on their PR list and for putting me on their PR list. So I'm so grateful. Oh, when you open it,
what does my face tell you?
it has a cute little message.
Does it say that I'm vain?
And then,
or does it tell you that I'm strong? That I'll run this company someday? My face can be bold when you expect me to be weak.
So it comes with 3 parts.
Innocent.
Wow, I forgot that these liquid mattes were up here. This is what I was looking for. So it comes with 3 parts. Here's the lip part. We've got 24 lip shades. The mattes down here, the glosses. And these are all Katy Perry's lip glosses. And then we have this is the eye. So we have mascara, we got primer, we got eyeliners, we got the eyeshadows, brow pout, brow pomades, and then the brow pencils right here. Face one, which includes 2 BB creams, 4 face powders, concealers, a setting spray. This is a pre-touch palette, so I'm assuming that is a palette. That is a color correcting palette, and then you have these moussed liquid highlighters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. Make sure you're following me on Snapchat and Instagram, Jamie with 8 eyes and an E. I'll see you guys in my next video. So the first part of this palette is the eyes palette. I'm gonna use the eyebrow products first. On one eyebrow, I'll use the pencils with this pomade on my other eyebrow. Basically, you take this out, flip it over, connect it, unscrew it, and then here's the top and the bottom for it. So now I'm going to go in with the concealer. Typically, I prefer a concealer that's with a thicker consistency. This is a little too fluid, and the color is super ashy. So now I'm gonna prime my eyes using the primer, and then I'll just buff that out. Okay, it's disappearing on my lid. Yeah, so I'm just going to assume that this primer is supposed to just dry down clear. But like I said, I like primers that have a color to it because it makes the colors pop up more. So I'm just going to put some of this concealer on my eye as well. So I'm going to take the lighter powder and set my eye with this so that and this is the color. Oh shit, okay. Whoa, that had a lot of fallout. Don't swirl your brush. And I'm going to set this down. As you guys see, yeah, this product has a lot of fallout. Okay, so I finished this eye off camera. The liner is still drying. So now we're going to do this other eye. Katy Perry eyeshadow palette. The first color I'm using is this one right here. As you see, when I tap my brush in it, it's a lot of kickback. A lot. You guys can see all of what's falling out. So because of this, I've learned how to just work with shadows that do that. So instead of tapping it on top of this, if I tap it, I'm gonna lose all the color. So I'm gonna just shake it like this so that I still have my color there. And the best way to use shadows that have a lot of fallout like this is to press it on the eye first. Because if you just initially start sweeping it, then that's how you're going to lose all the color as well. So this color is similar to Saddle, I would say, from MAC. And it doesn't, even though it falls out, it has a lot of kickback in the palette. There's not a lot of kickback when you put it on your eye. So which is not a big deal. Because like I said, I always look for when shadows have a lot of fallout like that and a lot of kickback. Like if it's going to start falling out on your eye and leave you with a whole lot of mess, then that's when you're running into the issue. Of course you can see there's some fallout right here, but it's not terrible. It's terrible in the palette. Like I think I'm already, yeah, seriously, I've already almost hit pan, like right here. But on the eye, the color blends out good. Yeah, the color is not, it blends out good on the eye. Like there's no, I have no complaints with how it blends out. The pigmentation is good of the color. It's just that kickback. Like I don't know what ingredient needs to be added to make sure an eyeshadow is like held together better so you don't get all that, but yeah. So the next color, I'm gonna use this brown color. And also something I noticed, the denser the brush, the less fallout that it has. Because as you see, I'm putting my brush in this one. We're not getting as much fallout. I don't know if it's because it's a darker color and darker colors are easier. I don't, like I said, I don't really know ingredients of products. But I don't know if it's the brush that's making it, because it's more dense, that's causing less kickback in that one, or if it's because it's a darker color and darker colors are easier to formulate. I'm not exactly sure. I'm just packing this color on my eye and then I'll start to blend it together. I'm gonna use the black. And this black is pretty black. And then I'll start to blend it into my crease as well, because I want that depth for when I cut the crease. The lightest concealer, and I'm gonna use this to cut my crease. And now I'm just going to set this down so we don't get any creasing using the lightest shade. For my lid color, the first half of my lid, I'm going to use this one right here. To spray my brush with the Covergirl lock, what is this, look lockup. You guys can see their shimmers are very pigmented, like it's bomb. And in the center of my eye, I'm using this gold color. Yo, you see this gold? Oh my god, this is probably better than my gold, my Amber Lights from MAC, honestly, because it has like the pigmentation is there and it has a perfect amount of shimmer in it. Okay, so because there's no foundation in here, I just went and applied my foundation off camera. I'm about to use this concealer, and I'm actually, y'all, I'm really scared to use this concealer. So just to be safe, I will use the darkest shade. This is a step I always do. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna use the Covergirl Lock It spray to spray my face. Okay, okay, all right. I see you, Covergirl. Wow, okay. Wow, it was very misleading under the eye. Very, because this is blending out really, really good underneath. Like, it was very misleading on my eyebrows because it looks really good on my face. Wow. Y'all, this concealer is really good. At first I wasn't feeling it at first on my eyebrows, but on my face it looks really, really good. Powder, hopefully, I'm gonna see how it is underneath the eye, like as a brightening powder, because it's too light for my skin. I'm gonna finish off my under eye, and I'm using the brown shade that I used in my, and for my inner corner highlight, I'll use this color right here, which is like this is a really pretty inner corner highlight. I live for inner corner highlight. In the face part, we have these Vitalist Healthy Glow. So, oh, excuse me, I'm going to assume that these are highlighters, so I'm going to top this on my face. So it's like a mousse kind of texture. So I'm just going to tap it in the area where I would normally highlight. I don't know if it's really showing up on camera, but this is nice. This is like a good base to top off a highlighter on. My Milani highlight. Yeah, oh wow. Yeah, I love what this is doing for my highlight. This is gonna be so nice over the summer. Like, I feel super bronzy. Why did I say it like that? Super bronzy. I like the lip option. I just wish it was, what's that called? I wish it was brown, but besides that, it's fine. And the color, it's drying down, but it's not too dry. I like that also. Oh, I actually seen a makeup artist in Vegas use this, and it literally turned her lips white. Like, it was white. But I'm gonna use this to help my ombre. Like, I feel like it'll help brighten it up in the center, only in the center. There's like a this gloss in here, so we'll use a little bit. Hopefully it's not, because it's gray in the packaging, hopefully it's not gray. Don't ruin my look. Okay, it didn't ruin it. My overall thoughts are that it works. It's really good. As you'll see, when I first start using the palette with my eyebrows, when I'm concealing my eyebrows, I was like getting scared at first because it wasn't that thick on my eyebrows, but I'm just very particular with what I carve my eyebrows out with. So I thought the concealer wasn't going to be that good, but the concealer actually ended up being super good. I love the twist top of it. I love the setting spray. Setting spray is bomb. The eyeshadow color, the pigmentation of the eyeshadow color is really nice. There is a lot of kickback in the palette, but there's not a lot of fallout on the eye. So because there's not a lot of fallout, I can deal with it because that is always my main concern. Only the lighter color, not the darker color. The shimmers though are so bomb. Literally, like, this is one of the best gold shimmers I have used. I love the cream highlighter. I love that so much. I feel like it's a great base to top liquid, to top powder highlights on, and it comes with a lot of variety. Mascara's bomb. I didn't really care for the eyeshadow primer just because it dries down clear. I like an eyeshadow primer that dries down like where it's like opaque, so I just used the concealer, which still worked out. Mascara is good. Oh, the eyebrow product was good also. I like how it has a spoolie on one end and then like of course a pencil on the other end. The pomade is also good as well. I did prefer the brush though. I mean the pencil. I preferred the pencil to use on my eyebrows. Powder, they didn't really have my shade, but they do offer a lot of coverage. I like the lipsticks. Actually, like I was trying to wipe it off my hand because I wiped everything off. As you see, it's still on there, so they're really good. The mattes are really good and it's not too drying, because that's sometimes a concern with matte lipsticks, is that like how dry is it gonna dry? Is it gonna be too dry or my lips look like crusty? But I feel like it was like a soft matte. I prefer a soft matte over that like hard, nasty, cracky lip looking dry, you know? So I did appreciate the softness of the matte lipsticks. My overall thoughts is I give this whole PR package a thumbs up. Oh, and the liquid liner. I love how skinny the point is of the liquid liner. I feel like it doesn't dry down matte though, and I love a black liner that dries down matte. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. Make sure you're following me on Snapchat and Instagram, Jamie with 8 eyes and an E. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video.